Hello, a very warm welcome to my students here. I hope everybody is safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. I am taking math in grade 4. Previous class we have completed exercise 1.4. Now today I am going to start a fresh topic that is Indian and international systems of numeration. Okay, what is Indian and what is international system of numeration? We follow the Indian systems of numeration and use the Indian place value chart. Most countries outside India use the international system of numeration. Take a look at the differences between the Indian and international system of numeration. Let us see this Indian place value chart. So, Indian place value chart. We have divided into this Indian place value chart divided into 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So now I am taking 3 periods here: ones, thousands and lakhs. Okay, here in ones, tens, 100 in ones period. Next in thousand and then thousand. In lakh and 10 lakh. In crores and 10 crores. Okay, so there will be 4 periods in Indian place value chart. What is that? Ones, thousand, lakhs and crores. Okay, so in ones 3, ones, tens, 100. In thousands and 10,000. In lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, this is the Indian place value chart. Let us see with numbers. Okay, I am giving some numbers here: 907, again 8, 6 and 5. Okay, so this we can read this number as 56,87,709. Yes or not? Yes, we read this number as like this. So how we can write this? We can write this 56 lakhs 87,709. Okay, so this is the way to represent the Indian place value chart. Okay, if they are asking to write in words, we have to write this in this way. If they are asking to write in numbers, so you have to write like this way. Okay, this is the Indian place value chart. Okay, now let us see the international place value chart. So this is the international place value chart. This also divided into 3 periods: ones, thousands. So in Indian place value chart, after thousands will go with lakhs, but here they will go with millions. They will go with millions. Okay, same ones, tens, 100. Here 1000, 10,000 and here after 10,000 we'll get 100,000. Okay, after 10,000 we'll get 100,000. After 100,000 here million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so this is the difference between Indian place value chart as well as the international place value chart. Okay, what we'll do after 10,000 we'll go with lakh, but here after 10,000 they'll go with 100,000. After 100,000 they'll go with million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, million, 10 million and 100 million. Let us do with one number. Same number we write here: 907, 7, 8, 6, 5. Okay, 65. So how we can read this number? 5,687,709. Okay, like this we have to read. And how we can write this? Let us write here. Okay, 5,687,709. This is the way to write the international place value chart, and I have shown the difference between Indian and international place value chart. I hope you understood the concept. In the next class I am going to start a new exercise. Thank you.